it's an open secret, you know, that my predecessor has not gotten, you know, out of what happened in 2022. That despite everything he did, I won the election. Secondly, he made a prediction himself in public before a whole PG of Azimio that William Ruto was going to fail within 3 months, because he knew very well that the country was in dire straits. He knew about the default, he knew about the state of the economy, and he prophesied that it was going to collapse within 3 months. And so I am sure he has a problem that, well, I managed. The country did not default. The tattered economy that he left today is in a different place. We brought inflation down. We've enhanced our foreign exchange reserves almost 3 times. We've managed interest rates. We've managed exchange rates. The country is stable. Kenya is now the 6th largest economy in Africa. And we have changed the perception of the country in terms of investor confidence,